Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the D3D11 compatible GPU feature level 11.0 shader model 5.0 is required to run the engine error. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first go to the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen and type check for updates and then just click on it. Then select update and security. So once you're here, simply check if there are any pending updates. And then next, right click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner and select Device Manager. So from here, expand the Display Adapter section and right click on AMD Radeon TM RX Vega 11 graphics and just choose Update Driver right here. And then select search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers are already installed, then you can just close it here. So after that, right click on AMD Radeon again and select update driver. So this time choose browse my computer for drivers. Then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and select the appropriate driver. Tap next and wait for the installation to complete. So after that, you can now open Google Chrome here and navigate to the official page where you can download the latest redistributables right here. So in order to do that, you have to first find out your system type. So simply go to the search bar again and type system information like so, and then just open it. And from here, you can check your system type, for example, x64. So once you've checked yours, you can now return to the download page here to pick the version compatible with your system. So hopefully this method will fix the error you're experiencing. And that's pretty much it. That's how to fix the D3D11 compatible GPU error. So I really hope you found this video useful. So if you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.